Hello everyone, welcome Lead School at Home. We have started 6th chapter in politics of Unit 4 of Class 10 NCERT, that is political parties. In that, in previous videos we have studied overview of the chapter, then why do we need political parties, then meaning of political parties, then functions of political parties, then necessity of political parties. Then we have studied how many parties should we have. These different parties we have studied. Then popular participation in political parties, then national parties. Some part of national parties we have studied. Now we will move towards on next part on this chapter, that is All India Trinamool Congress. Please turn, put your textbook in front of you while watching this video and be ready with your pen, pencil and notebook. Now we will see some information regarding the national parties. First one, that is All India Trinamool Congress, means AITC. This party has launched on 1st January 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, recognized as a national party in 2016. This party launched in 1st January 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. And this party recognized as a national party in 2016. Next, the party symbol is flower and grass. See here, the party symbol is flowers and grass is there. Now, committed to secularism and federation, and this party committed to secularism and federalism has been in power in West Bengal since 2011, and this party has a power in West Bengal since 2011. Also has a presence in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura, and this party has a presence in another state also. These states are Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. In the general election held in 2014, it got 3.84% votes and won 34 seats, making it the fourth largest party in Lok Sabha. In the election 2014, party has got 3.84% vote and it won near about 34 seats in that election, and also making it the fourth largest party in the Lok Sabha. Now we will see image of Mamata Banerjee. See here, now I will show the image of Mamata Banerjee. See here, this is the image of Mamata Banerjee, who is the leader of Trinamool Congress in Pachim Bengal. Now we will move towards next party, that is a Bahujan Samaj Party, that is BSP. This party formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram, seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj, which includes the Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs and religious minorities. This party has formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram, and this party seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj. In the Bahujan Samaj includes Dalits, then Adivasis, OBCs and religious minorities. Draws inspiration from the ideas and teaching of Shahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Periyar Ramaswamy, Naika, and Baba Sahib Ambedkar. And this party draws inspiration from our national leaders in India. These are Shahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Periyar Ramaswamy, then Naika, and Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Stand for the cause of securing the interest and welfare of the Dalit and oppressed people. This party stands for the cause of securing the interest and welfare of the Dalits and oppressed people from the society. It has its main base in the state of Uttar Pradesh and substantial presence in neighboring states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and Punjab. And the main base of this party is in Uttar Pradesh, and this party is also present in neighboring states. These are Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and Punjab. Formed government in Uttar Pradesh several times by taking the support of different parties at different times. Means this party formed government many times in Uttar Pradesh by taking supports of other parties. In the Lok Sabha elections held in 2014, it polled about 4% votes but did not secure seat in the Lok Sabha. In the election 2014, this party polled 4% votes but did not secure seats in the Lok Sabha. Now we will see the image of Kanshiram, who is the leader of Bahujan Samaj Party. See, this is the image of Kanshiram. Now we will see the next party. Next party is Bharatiya Janata Party, means BJP, founded in 1980 by Revim, the erstwhile Bharatiya Jana Sangh, formed by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee in 1951. This party has formed in 1980 by Revim, the erstwhile Bharatiya Jana Sangh, formed by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee in 1951. Now wants to build a strong and modern India by drawing. We will move towards next side of this page. Inspiration from India's ancient culture and values. This party wants to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and values. And Deen Dayal Upadhyay's ideas of integral humanism and Antodaya. This party are also taken ideas of Deen Dayal Upadhyay's of integral humanism and Antodayas. Culture nationalism or Hindutva is an important element in its conception of Indian nationhood and politics. We know that in this party, cultural nationalism, that is Hindutva, is an important element in its conception of Indian nationhood and politics. Wants full territorial and political integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India. This party also wants full territorial and political integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India. A uniform civil code for all people living in the country irrespective of religion and ban on religious conversations. Uniform civil code for all people living in the country, irrespective of religion, and ban on religious conversation. Its support base increased substantially in the year 1990s, earlier limited to north and west and to urban areas. The party expanded its support in the southeast, the northeast, and to rural areas. Earlier limited spread in India, like north and west, then to urban areas. The party expands its support also in southeast and northeast and to rural areas. Came to power in 1998 as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance, means NDA, including several religion parties. When this party came in power in 1998 as the leader of National Democratic Alliance, means NDA, include several regional parties, emerged as the largest party with 282 members in 2014 Lok Sabha election, means in the year 2014 in Lok Sabha election, this party secure 282 members, currently leads the ruling NDA government at the center. Now BJP is a ruling party in the country. Now we will see the image of Bharatiya Jana Sangh, that is formed by Shama Prasad Mukherjee. We will see the image of Shama Prasad Mukherjee. See here, this is an image of Shama Prasad Mukherjee, who is from Bharatiya Janata Party. Now again we will see the image of Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Just wait student, I will show you the image of Deen Dayal Upadhyay. So, see, this is the image of Deen Dayal Upadhyay, whose ideas of integral humanism and Antyodaya has taken in the party. Now we will move towards the next party, that is Communist Party of India, that is CPI, formed in year 1925, believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism and democracy. This party has formed in the year 1925 and this party believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism and democracy. Opposed to the forces of secessionism and communalism, accept parliamentary democracy as a means of promoting the interest of the working class, farmers and the poor. This party opposes secessionism and communalism, then accept parliamentary democracy as a mean of promoting the interest of the working class. Became weak after the split in the party in 1964 that led to the formation of the CPI, that is M. Significant presence in the state of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. This party has a significant presence in the state of south states. These are Kerala, then from east side West Bengal, then from west northwest Punjab, then south side Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Its support base had gradually declined over the year, but some support base has declined over the year of this party. It secured less than 1% vote and one seat in 2014 Lok Sabha election. In 2014 election, this party has secured less than 1% vote, that is only one seat in the Lok Sabha. Advocates the coming together of all left parties to build a strong left front. But advocates to coming together of all left parties to build a strong left front. Now, next part we will see in next video. Thank you.